All right, so looking at number 31, we have two numbers that differ by 7. So if it's a smaller number, I guess let's say if it was 3, the other one would be 10, right? Because the difference is 7. And the sum of their squares is 29. So we need to make a let statement first and then find the number. So I'm going to say, let's say, I could make the larger number x or the smaller. I'm going to say let x be the smaller number. Okay, so let x be the smaller number, and I'm going to say the other one would be let x plus 7 be the larger number. Okay, so all of that's the same. So what does it say? The sum of the squares. So if we take those numbers and square them, the sum of the squares is 29. So my first number is x. So if I square that, and my second number is x plus 7, and I go ahead and square that. Oops, let's fix that. So x plus 7, I go ahead and square that. The sum is equal to 29. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and expand this and then set it equal to 0. So let's do that. So we have x squared here plus, we have x squared plus, let me see this, plus 14x plus 49 equals 29. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and set it equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract 29 here and to the same to the other side. So then we have 2x squared, right? Plus 14x. And then we have plus 20 equals 0. And I have a common factor of 2. So I'm going to factor out a common factor of 2. So we have 2, and then we have x squared plus 7x plus 10, okay, is equal to 0. Now we're going to think, can we factor this? So we can use the 0 product property. All right, so we're looking for two numbers that will multiply to 10 and add up to 7. That's a pretty easy one. That would be 5 and 2, right? So x is either equal to -5 or x is equal to -2. Now, if the first number was -5, okay, that's the small number. So then that would mean that we have -5, and then the next number, if we add 7, would be 2, right? So that's a pair. Those are the numbers. Or if the smaller number was -2, okay, and then the next number would be, if we add 7, would be 5. So those are the two pairs that would work in this case, right? And we could check those pairs. So if we square, that's 25, and then we square this 2, that's 4. 25 and 4 is 29. Same case here, right? All right.